Hello guys, welcome to my this JavaScript tutorial, and in this tutorial just I will discuss about val, let and const. I mean, what is the difference between val, let and const, and when we should use this three keyword for defining variable. I already made video on this topic, but again I am making because in this video I will try to explain it more clearly, and after watching this video every doubt I think it will be clear to you. Okay guys, so now here you can see I already opened index.html file, and here is the some CSS link, Google font, etc. And here is the jQuery, Bootstrap.js and custom.js file. But here I will not use custom.js, just here I will write all the script code. I mean, for showing the difference I will write code here. So I will write the first script tag, and inside the script tag now I will start to write. Okay, so guys, first of all I will show the difference between const and var. So now theoretically if I say the difference is we cannot update the value using const, but we can update the value using var, and we cannot create dynamic variable using const, but we can create using var. Var is the important and common variable. We can use everywhere, every time, every situation, var, but we cannot use const and let. So now first of all I will show the difference const and var. So guys, here one thing I will suggest to use const mostly globally means outside this function. Suppose here if I write const, and guys if you don't know what is const, var and let, so guys I will say that is these are the keyword for defining variable in JavaScript or jQuery or any other JavaScript framework or library. Okay, so now I will write const, and here I will write a variable is ABC, and now here I will assign a variable, assign a value. So value is my channel name, but you can put here any value as per your choice, and you can put any variable name. So and now guys, here if I write function, someone called it method, both are the right, and the function name is func. So you can write any name of this function, or someone call it method. And we can define another way function. We don't need to write this keyword, just here we can write equals to, and here equals to an arrow. So this function is called fade arrow function. We can define this way also, but here I will write using a function keyword, I mean that. And now guys, this variable is called now global variable because I define this variable outside this function. So when we define variable outside this function, so that's called global variable. So we use const keyword for defining variable most of time globally. So guys, now let's see, I can assign this value of the ABC when I define it global. So let's check I can do that or not. So just inside this console.log I'll put this variable, and now for accessing the value of the console, so I have to be call this function because this console I have defined inside this function, so I have to be call this function. So guys, if you don't know how to call, so just you have to put the function, or you can say method name and simply parenthesis. So save, and now here just I will open developer tools and console, just refresh it. So you can see I can easily access the value of ABC. But guys, here if I use it here, I mean inside this function, when and define it using const keyword, so let's check we can update on I mean we can access or not. So you can see easily I can access. But guys, I said we mostly use const variable outside this function. So why guys? Because guys, suppose here first of all I have assigned the value of ABC is creative developer, but now suppose I want to change the value ABC equals to creative. I mean I'm just updating the value. First I assign creative developer, but after that I'm trying to assign here only creative. So now let's see what should be the output. So save and refresh. So you can see I cannot update the value of the variable when we define it using const keyword. But guys, same thing if I write var keyword, so we can easily access the value. I mean, we can update the value when I'm using var keyword. First of all, ABC is creative developer and now ABC is creative, so I'm not getting the first value, it's just updated, and I'm getting the last one. So we can easily update value of a variable using var keyword. So first difference is this one, we cannot update value using const keyword, but we can update value using var keyword. And same thing if I write late, so we cannot do that. Okay, so sorry guys, here you can see we can do that same. Okay, I mean using late and var keyword we can do that same. Here we cannot create dynamic variable using late keyword and const keyword. Okay guys, so dynamic variable means, suppose I remove here, and first of all just I have written a name, and inside this name I have assigned a value, and after that if I define ABC is a variable, so that's called dynamic variable. So now if I define it using ABC keyword, that means first of all ABC is the name where I assign is the value creative developer, and now I define ABC is the variable using var keyword. So now you can see we can easily do that. You can see I'm getting the value, but same thing we cannot do using late and const keyword. So if I write here late keyword, so we cannot do that. You can see I'm getting error, and same thing we try to do using const keyword, you can see again I'm getting error. So we cannot create dynamic value using const and late keyword, but we can create it using var keyword. So I already told you var is the common and important variable, we can use it every time, every situation, var keyword, but we cannot use const and late every time. Okay, so the difference is var and late difference is we cannot create a dynamic variable using late keyword, but we can create dynamic variable using var keyword. And const and var is the difference is we cannot update the value using const keyword, and we can update the value using var keyword. So these are the difference. Okay, so guys, now let's difference const and late. So guys, first of all here late is the, so now guys I hope you can understand the difference of const and var and late. So now I will come to difference between const and late. So guys, const late is the first late render faster than const. Okay, so that's why we mostly use late at the time to block. Block means, I will just remove this. Block means, suppose a for loop. For loop is the block element. Why it's called block element? Suppose I write for and late I equals to 0, I less than equals to 10, and I plus plus. So I have written a for loop here, and now suppose I want to print the value of console. So console.log I plus a space. So here I have written only double inverted commas for adding a space. So for loop it's called block because guys here I'm just blocking the value of I. It's not more than, it will not be more than 10. So just I'm blocking the value of I, it will up to 10. So that's why it's called block element. And guys, when we use block element, that time we use late keyword because I said late is the faster than const or var also. So guys, when we use any kind of loop, so that takes more time than another line. First of all, we have to be understand how JavaScript render or anything render. So guys, JavaScript render synchronously means step by step. So first of all, it will render first line, that is HTML. So after that guys, title, this link, everything step by step. So guys, when it will come to render this loop, so it will take more time than another line. Suppose this line or this line it takes 4 seconds, just assuming it's not take 4 seconds, just assuming it's take 4 seconds, so it will take to render 6 seconds, I mean more than another line. Every time loop take more than another line to render, so it will take more time. So that time if we use late keyword, so just little bit of time will be less than another keyword. Suppose if I write var keyword, so just it will take little bit of more time, but if I write late keyword, so it will take less of time because late is first render than another keyword. So that is the difference, late and const. Otherwise you can use here var also, okay, but you cannot use const. So first of all I will show that using var keyword. You can see I can get the value, and if I use late keyword, you can see here, if I use const keyword, you can see I'm not getting. So we cannot use const keyword using inside this block, but we can use late keyword inside this block. And I will recommend it, don't use here var keyword, you use late keyword. You can use var keyword also, but I will suggest to use late keyword because late is faster than another. So guys, hope you have understand the difference, okay. But guys, here now I will suggest 3 variable where we should use. So const we use globally means outside this function. So here you can use this, okay. So just I will putting a value, so this called outside or globally. So you should use const here because when we use any global variable, we mostly don't need to update the value of global variable. And here const variable we cannot use inside block element. You had seen that we get error, so that time we mostly use const, and I will suggest to use outside or global of the function. But var, there are no barrier to use var keyword. You can use everywhere var keyword, but I will suggest just here, I mean locally, just use locally var keyword, okay. I mean inside this method, or someone called it function, so just use locally, I mean inside this function. Or when you should use late keyword, you can use late keyword here also and here also, but I will suggest just use late keyword here, okay. And some difference you have seen, I mean we cannot update the value using const keyword, and we cannot create dynamic value using late keyword also, okay. So that difference you have seen. If any interviewer will ask to you, so I think you can give the answer. We cannot create a dynamic variable using late keyword, and we cannot update the value using const keyword. Var keyword every time, every situation we can use. So now guys, hope you have understand the difference, or here I have tried to explain it more clearly. So hope guys if you have understand, and if you didn't have understand, so you can write in comment. And guys, one thing I want to say, that is when we upload any videos, so people may send me a message in Insta ID, that is for uploading code or give them source code. So guys, for that and that you mostly people send me a message when I upload any Angular video, so that time people mostly ask me a source code. So guys, that's why I have created a free blog, Google Blogspot. So here I upload everything whatever I upload in YouTube. Suppose now I have shown the difference between val, late and const. So this here I have written, and just I have shown some examples. So you can just copy this code from here and you can experiment about this code, okay, and understand what is the difference. Okay guys, so you can do that, and here you will find Angular tab. So all the videos whatever I already uploaded on Angular in YouTube, so that I'm trying to write all the code in this site day by day, and now everything in new video, so that's I already I'm uploading in here also. So you will get all the code from here, so you can see all the code whatever I am making the video on Angular or anything. So suppose this is the reactive form, so you can see the reactive form code here, everything I'm uploading this block site. So you will find this block. So I will provide now today today I am uploaded this difference between val, let and const. So I will provide this link in description, so you can check the description and come here and read and experience. So hope guys this video is help to you, and if you want to get more this type of video, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon. And if you want to learn Angular, so you can check my Angular playlist. I already have made the 66 tutorial, every kind of package, and most of package you can see there. So you can check Angular also, and subscribe and press the notification bell icon. And if you think this video is helpful to you, so guys don't forget to like this video.